Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So we have a little unboxing for you guys, or unpackaging. Actually there are boxes inside. This was sent to me from an Amazon dealer. I cannot pronounce their name, but to get these things, if you so choose to, the link will be in the description of the video. So anyways, they came to me to do a review for them on these. These are code readers for your car. Now, I love automotive stuff, anything wise, tools, doesn't matter. So there's two different types here, so let's open up the first box. This is our standard code reader, which a lot of people are familiar with these little boxes. And I've done a lot of reviews on code readers on my channel, because they're not all the same, and some of them are, you know, they're going to work with your car, and others, you know, might not, or they'll work with some of your car and not all of it. But we'll see how this works out, because according to the list, it covers a boatload of brands, but of course they don't get into features for each car of each brand, because they just can't do that on, you know, their write-up. So any of these things, you kind of, it's a roll of the dice. If it supports your make of vehicle, then there's a pretty good chance it's going to work with most of your car or all of it. We'll see. I definitely have my Toyota Echo we're going to test this on. Well, both of these units actually. And I'm actually going to talk to my boss and see if he's got a check engine light on any of his vehicles right now, because I don't have one on mine, but we're going to see what the support is like, because it does cover the Toyotas and whatnot. And so we'll see if we can do a video with one of his vehicles while we're at it. Now this unit here that I'm trying to get at, it's called the FastLink M1. Now this is the JDIG, or JDIG I guess, or JDIG, JD-101. So I'm just trying to peel into this box here. This is pretty cool, and it's Bluetooth, which is really awesome. So you just slap that into your ODB port, or OBD port, and voila, away you go, and connect your, you know, iPhone, iPad, or I think these support Android as well, and you'll be able to scan your car. So pretty cool. Little modules are really nice to have around, and you've got a manual also that, well, there's a lot of coverage in here for stuff that they talk about, but of course you've got different languages as well. So we'll just take a quick little breeze at this thing. Readiness, monitor status, diagnostics trouble codes, explanation of a diagnostic trouble code. So it's fairly detailed layouts of the codes and stuff, and the definitions, which is good. You want that. System status, there's setups and whatnot. Really nice English in this. Erasing codes, you can do that too. If you want to wipe your codes, you can do that. Turn off that check engine light, at least until it comes back on again, or you fix your problem. So for the English, we've got about 15 pages of English, and then we get into the next language and so on. So that's for this one. And then this little guy, I've already downloaded the app into my phone for this one ahead of time. And this one, not too much of a manual. Chinese on the one side from the looks of things. And we have English on the other. So this is for the Bluetooth one. And highly integrated, multifunctional, compatible with 5 major standard protocols. Support the standard OBD2 various brands, vehicle diagnostics, clear the fault codes, etc. Product button tells you about the red LED, green LED, and yellow. So red is power, green is Bluetooth, so you're connected, I suppose. Yellow is vehicle connection. Supported protocols, like I said, it covers the 5 major ones. Minimum starting voltage is 7.9, maximum operating voltage is 30 volts. From the little bit of reading I have done up on these, you have live feed as well as the freeze frame stuff. So we're going to test all that out, just to verify everything's correct with the website too. Applicable to vehicles with standard OBD2 DLC after 2000, OBD2 CAN, Bluetooth 4.0 comes in handy because that's what I have in my iPhone and my iPad. Independent developed lightning speed connection, half a second. Wow, that's pretty good. Gilded OBD2 pins to ensure stable connection. Shell with environmentally friendly materials, anti-drop dust proof, scratch no screws, compatible with more protocols, support more vehicles. So we have a WeChat app or the app download. I guess I'll have to check out that WeChat app too. So anyways, these are manufactured by JDIG Electronics Technology, and they are from China, which is fine, no big. So I'm gonna go mess with these things, and I got to figure out the program for this anyways. But this covers the unboxing, and this is cool too because it's powered by the car. You don't have a battery to worry about in here. It's all powered by the car, and very simple. You know, this is like, you know, giver and, you know, going backwards, up and down, scanning. It's very simplistic, easy to use. Anybody can use one of these things. And you know, I gotta tell you, they are handy to have. Even if you don't know about cars and you got a check engine light on and you don't want a mechanic ripping you off, it's a good idea to get one of these things. And you could actually go in and say, well, here's the list of codes that my scan tool came up with, you know, and blah blah blah, you know, and then this way he or she, whoever the mechanic is, can't rook you for a severe major thing, saying, oh well, this is it, you know what I mean? And it happens all the time. Women get ripped off the most when it comes to automotive repairs, but even a lot of guys do, because there's a lot of guys that, you know, they just, like everybody else, they just want to turn the key and drive, right? Oh, light comes on, better get checked out. I would say good approach in one sense, but bad in another. You know, I would just sooner suggest, you know, get a code reader. These things are simple and easy to use. Anybody can use it. You don't have to have a lot of real knowledge. And it tells you what's going on, and you got an idea. And it may be something as simple as a faulty spark plug, which you can change yourself. You don't need to pay a garage a whack load of money to change your plugs. But anyway, so that's what we got for you so far. I'm kind of really impressed with the looks. The manuals are good. They're detailed. Especially the one for the big scanner is very well detailed. This one, of course, I guess we're going to get the rest of our information from the app once we fire it up. And I like the color too. I mean, you can see this anywhere. You know, it's kind of like, wow, bright. I like that. And I like the shade of green too on both. But anyways, so I'm going to let you guys go for now. I'm going to go play with these things, and then we will come back on a separate video doing the test and review of each one and seeing how they do, especially with my car to start with anyways. And we'll continue on. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you soon on the next one.